My name is Sarah Bonzo. I am an assistant professor in the School of Business here at SUNY Oswego. And I'm also the program coordinator for our MBA in Health Services Administration program. I've been here since 2013. Prior to coming here to SUNY Oswego, I was working at Rochester General Hospital. And there I was doing process improvement work. In my last role there, I was the director of the Transformation Management Office. And my role there was kind of a project management office, and we worked on implementing and optimizing the electronic medical record. And so kind of after we had implemented and optimized, I saw the posting that they were looking for somebody to head up this new MBA HSA program, and I've been here ever since. So I really have two different research areas. One is more focused on kind of big data analytics. I'm interested in looking at Department of Health, the Sparks data here in New York State, and looking at how kind of trends in the population and in service delivery impact population health. I'm also interested kind of in that big data field and how we're using data from the electronic medical record. So we've got more data now than we've ever had before. How can we use that to analyze how we're delivering care kind of within the hospital system? And then the second aspect of my research is more lean methodologies and process improvement. So I'm really interested in the specific routines and habits that clinicians and kind of clinical teams use, and how making small tweaks in some of those habits can have widespread impacts on patient safety and patient throughput.
Well, welcome to Money in Banking. I'm Liz Schmidt, or Dr. Liz, as known to many of my students, and I will be your instructor for this semester course. So there's a Chinese proverb that instructs you, may you live in interesting times. Well, in a money banking course, we live in interesting times, but we always live in interesting times. Probably my favorite thing about this course is that this fascinating subject has applications to things that are happening every day in global financial markets. And I took a course in money and banking way back in 1988, but you know what? It's totally different, and that's the great thing. So I'm not really teaching the same thing every semester, and there's always something new to talk about and to fit into the framework of how money affects our economy and how financial markets work overall. So money in banking has several parts to it. So we begin with the toolkit. So money in banking begins with an introduction and the vocabulary of financial assets, financial markets, and some overall themes. Themes that risk requires compensation, and the risk-reward trade-off that's going to be inherent in any kind of financial security that we're going to look at. That money has time value, that a dollar today is not worth the same as a dollar tomorrow and a dollar a year from now. And that kind of trade-off also defines financial assets in the financial system. The power of information is going to be a very important theme in this course. The importance of stability. The importance of stability. In 2008, we saw the great lengths that the United States federal government and other world governments went to prevent the global financial system from melting down. And that tells you the importance of stability. So stability is very important because stability is going to funnel money to projects, and projects increase our ability to produce, and increasing our ability to produce causes the standard of living to rise.
Welcome. I am glad you are here. I would like to invite you to take my course on big data, genes, and medicine. Today, data about patients and individuals grows at unprecedented speed in electronic medical records, imaging databases, and genetic databases. A lot of this data is available in the public domain, just waiting to be analyzed and connected. At the end of this course, you will be able to locate, pre-process, and analyze biomedical datasets involving genes and clinical data to successfully select important features, predict diseases, and discover groups and pathways from the data. You will also be able to interpret, visualize, and share the results in a meaningful way. Finally, you will accomplish all of this in the cloud by writing all scripts in a cloud-based notebook for biomedical big data analysis. The knowledge you will gain will open for you many doors in the professional domain, in research, in education, or simply for your personal growth. I will lead you step by step so that little prerequisite knowledge is required, is in biology or in technical skills. I am very excited to offer this course for your advancement and also the advancement of the science and medicine. I hope you will join me.